Hello everyone. Today I will discuss exercise 11.1 question number 5. The area of a square park is same as that of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. Let us find. It is given that there is a square park. There is a square park and the side of the square park is 60 meter. That means this is 60 meter. 60 meter. This is also 60 meter. The square park, this is also 60 meter, and this is also 60 meter. And there is also a rectangular park. There is also a rectangular park, right? And length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Here it is 90 meter. Let the breadth of the rectangular park be B, right? Now, first of all, we find the area of the square park. Area we know that area of the square park, we know that area of a square, area of a square, area of a square is equal to side into side, or L square, side into side, right? And side here the square is 60 meter, that is 60 meter into 60 meter, that is meter into meter is meter square, or we are getting 6 is 36, 0 meter square. This is the area of the square. It is given that area of the square is area equal to the area of the rectangle, and we know that area of a rectangle, area we know that area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And it is given also that area of the square is equal to area of the rectangle. It is given that area of the square, area of the square, area of the square, area of the square is equal to area of the rectangle, is equal to area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangle can be written as L into B, and that is equal to the area of the square. And we found that the area of the square is 3600, 3600, and length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Length is 90 into B. B is equal to 3600 meter square. This is meter square, or 3600 meter square. This is 90 meter into B. There we can write B as is equal to 3600 by 90. This 0 will cut, and 4 9 36 and 0, that is equal to 40 meter. What is the question? Find the breadth of the rectangular part. Therefore, we can say, therefore, breadth of the rectangular park, breadth of the rectangular park is 40 meter. 40 meter. This is breadth is 40 meter. 40 meter, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.